Hello students, this is my new next session of online classes. In today's online class, students, we will discuss chapter 15 Air Around Us of 6th class. Students, you all know what is the importance of air in our life and air present in everywhere in our surrounding. So students, I will explain this in detail. Students, for showing the air is present everywhere, I will show you an activity. Take a paper fan and hold its stick in different directions. You will observe that fan move around. Due to presence of air, this fan rotates. Same principle is work on windmill. So students, you have seen that how fan rotates in all directions. Next is what is atmosphere. The envelope of air surrounding the surface of earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere extends to a height of about 500 km above the earth's surface. It protects from ultraviolet rays. It has oxygen gas required for breathing. Now the properties of air. First is air is invisible. It means it is not visible to all. Air is matter. Like matter, air also have space as well as mass. Air is colorless. It has no color, odorless. It does not have any smell and it is tasteless. Composition of air. It means components which are present in air. 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 1% of carbon dioxide, helium, argon and other gases. How we can say that the oxygen is present in air? So let us an activity. Take a glass tumbler, matchstick and a candle. Light the candle. Now cover it with inverted glass tumbler. Observe the candle. Candle gets extinguishes after some time. This show that oxygen is present in air and air. Now second is nitrogen, and we can say that when your candle blow out, you may notice gas. These show that air is present and having a gas which do not allow burning. This gas is nitrogen. So we can say the presence of nitrogen. Third is carbon dioxide or CO2. If food gets burned while cooking, you may have felt suffocation. This is because of the accumulation of excess carbon dioxide. Some of carbon dioxide is present in air and some is added on during burning. Next, how we can say water vapor present in atmosphere. Take a steel tumbler, put it with water and some ice cubes. Students, after some time you have felt that water droplets are present on the outer surface of this tumbler. So it shows water vapors. Dust and smoke present in atmosphere. Choose a dark room having a window or hole. In a sunny day, sunlight passes from these open window or hole. Observe these sunlight. You will see tiny of dust particles in these rays of sunlight. Now uses of air. Firstly, air is used by plants and animals to live. Human beings use air for breathing. Birds used this air for flying. Balloons, wheels are used air for filling. Burning need air and many other need air. Student, this is very important to know about ozone layer. Ozone layer is a layer of ozone gas, it means O3, present in the region between about 10 km and about 50 km high in the Earth's atmosphere. This is a protective layer which protect us from ultraviolet radiations because these radiations are very harmful to cause skin cancer. Students, what is air pollution? Air pollution is the introduction of large amounts of undesirable substances such as harmful gases, dust particles, and other material into the atmosphere. These undesirable substances is called pollutants, and these undesirable substances pollute air, and this is known as air pollution. Causes of air pollution: factories emissions, it means harmful gases which emit from factories. Vehicular emissions, the harmful particles or smoke which release from vehicles. Burning of coal and fuel with different harmful gases. Burning of wood, forest fires and volcanic eruptions. These are some causes which causes air pollution. Thank you, students.